The centre on May 15th increased petrol and diesel prices by 3 rupees per litre amid rising global crude oil rates triggered by the ongoing West Asia conflict and the blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. Following the hike, petrol prices in Delhi rose to 97.77 rupees per litre, while petrol crossed 108 rupees per litre. CNG prices in Delhi were also revised and now stand at 79.09 rupees per kilogram. The government-linked oil companies had been facing losses of nearly 1,000 crore rupees per day due to high international crude prices. The Congress strongly criticized the Narendra Modi government over the fuel hike. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi alleged that the burden of the government's mistakes was being shifted onto the public. In a social media post, Rahul Gandhi claimed the 3 rupees increase was only the beginning and said more recovery from the public would follow in phases. The fuel hike also triggered protests from gig and platform workers across the country. The Gig and Platform Service Workers Union announced a 5-hour nationwide shutdown of app-based services on May 16th from 12 pm to 5 pm. The union demanded a minimum payment of 20 rupees per kilometer for delivery and transport workers, citing rising fuel and maintenance costs. Union leaders said many workers were struggling to survive as daily operational expenses continued to rise. The fuel price hike comes amid growing concerns over inflation and the impact of the global energy crisis on India's economy.